Welcome to User Experience Design. In this next PowerPoint, we're going to talk about how to turn tasks into scenarios for usability testing. The supplies you're going to need are pen and paper or word processing software and a little imagination. So first of all, let's remember that we are preparing for a usability test. We are going to look at an app and decide what we would like the users to do. And we've done this by creating a list of tasks that we need to complete in order to see if our app design is successful. Now, the tasks can be things like simple instructions, log in, find a recipe, create a recipe. But it doesn't get people talking. The whole idea behind this usability testing is to get people talking. So whereas a task is an action or a set or of assigned things to do for a tester, example being to create a new recipe, a scenario puts it into perspective. Scenarios make tasks more understandable and encourage the tester to put himself or herself into the right mindset, which means to talk about what it is that they're doing. Think of scenarios as short stories built around a task. They explain why a user would attempt the task. They strengthen the tester's buy-in, allowing them to pretend to be your perfect audience member. And they help the tester speak about what he or she is thinking. So for example, if we were to take the task of create a new recipe, you could use this scenario. You just finished perfecting your dog's favorite dish, and you want to share it with the community. How do you go about creating a new recipe in the app? Okay, so that would be a scenario. So for the example of our app that we've been working on, which is Made with Love, I have some original tasks. One is to have the user log in using their Facebook account. One is to have the user create a new recipe with a photo, and one to have the user search current recipes, and finally to log out. The finished scenarios would look something like this. You are a first-time user and you would like to log into the app using your Facebook account. Please show me how you would go about accomplishing this. You just made a wonderful new recipe and your dog loves it. Now you want to share the recipe and the photo you just took of the finished treat. Where in the app would you go to do this? It's a gloomy day and you need some cooking inspiration. Find a new recipe for dog treats to prepare. And finally, after a good deal of cooking, you are ready to exit the app. Please show me how you would log out. And that's it. You just add it to the script and you are ready to do your first round of usability testing.